In a city as dense as Mumbai, an unobstructed view of the city is something people will give an arm or leg for. And that is exactly what developers in Mumbai are catering to in the form of luxurious sky villas and homes that offer the most breathtaking views of the maximum city. So what are these sky villas and is this something you should be interested in? Ashwini Priolkar joins us with this special report.
Brilliant blue sky and clouds above and around you, and a bird's eye view of chaotic Mumbai below you. This is just one of the views available to you if you choose to invest in a sky villa or sky home in the city. Perched 50, 80 and even 100 stories above tall skyscrapers, sky villas are ultra-luxurious homes that cater to the rich and famous who want to get away from the noise and the bustle of the city.
Sky villa is basically a combination of both a villa as well as a penthouse. So villa gives you a lot of space, and then a penthouse gives you security. It gives you, you just lock one door and you're out and you don't have to do a lot. So Sky Villa is a function of both a villa and a penthouse put together.
Sky Villas are flagship projects of any developer's portfolio and so come equipped with amenities which are not present anywhere else. Take this example of the Lodha Group's World 1 Tower, which not only offers great views of the Worli sea face but also lavish interiors designed by Armani, intricate Jali style designs and even an outdoor jacuzzi for you to relax with the open sky above you. Or take the case of Omkar 1973 by the Omkar Group, which has sky bungalows measuring a whopping 18,200 square feet and comes equipped with a personal gym, grand dining rooms and even your own theatre. That's not all. Many of these projects come equipped with facilities like private elevators, pet spas, electronic surveillance and sky decks.
In our Sky Bungalow, I would say, in our Sky Bungalow, we've given 2.5 lakh square feet of amenities, which comes with swimming, like a swimming pool, infinity pool, spa, like e-spa. We've joined up with e-spa. We give a Barclay pet spa. We've given a grand ballroom, which you can have your parties in it.
But of course, all these amenities don't come cheap. These sky bungalows can set you back at least 25 crores if you're planning to invest in Worli or Lower Parel. Clearly, something that only HNIs can invest in.
But don't lose heart. You can also find sky villas at more down-to-earth prices in areas like Thane, where developers like Rustomji are offering sky homes from rupees 1.36 crores onwards at their Asiano project. They may not be the biggest, but they offer you all the comforts of a sky home regardless.
Unlike most developers in India and Bombay who charge a premium, the higher you go, the more you pay, we are doing exactly the opposite. We are saying why? Why pay higher, when you go higher? I'm saying I'll give it to you at a cheaper price. I'll give it to you at a more value-based price. So you will see a difference of almost 19 to 20 lakh rupees, which is around 2,000 rupees per square feet approximately.
Sky homes and sky villas have taken off in the West and are clearly becoming a trend in India as well. But are there challenges to having your own castle in the sky?
Even once you enter the gate and you enter the gated community, your life changes and you are in the lap of luxury. But the moment you're out of it, we all know what is there. The roads are broken, you have slums, you have non-regulated developments, you have unstructured, infrastructure issues which are there.
So, if you're planning on investing in a sky home, keep these points in mind and enjoy the luxury and views of these sky villas. In Mumbai with Ashwini Priolkar, Jasmine Makujina, NDTV.
Let's slip into a short breather here. Coming up next,